So students, let us prove that A is less than B and C is less than D implies A plus C is less than B plus D for all A, B, C and D belonging to set of real numbers. Now A is less than B and C is less than D. I can write it as B is greater than A and D is greater than C. I can write this as B minus A is greater than 0 and this implies D minus C is greater than 0. Definitely for all A, B, C and D belonging to set of real numbers. Now both of these are positive numbers, so I can add them and that would also be the positive number. So this is B plus D minus A plus C is greater than 0. This implies that B plus D is greater than A plus C. So I can rewrite it as A plus C is less than B plus D. Let us take another statement, article, that if A, B, C and D are positive real numbers such that A is less than B, C is less than D, then A dot C is less than B dot D. This dot represents the multiplication. Now whenever you have to prove such results, you also have to take care that what you have to prove, right? Now A is less than B and C is less than D and all are the positive numbers. So I can write it as that B is greater than A is greater than 0. Similarly here D is greater than C is greater than 0. So this implies that B minus A is positive, D minus C is positive. Now you have to prove that multiplication of AC is less than BD. So I will multiply this number, this inequality with C, then it is not making any difference because C is a positive number. Similarly, if I multiply D minus C greater than 0 inequality with B, this is not going to change the symbol of inequality because again B is a positive number. And I have taken here C and B because I want something like BD and AC, right? Now these are the positive numbers, so I can add them. And addition would not change the sign of inequality. So if I open the bracket, this implies CB minus CA plus BD minus BC is greater than 0, right? This is CB and B minus BC, and we know that in the set of real numbers is commutative. So CB is same as BC, so this cancels out and I have BD minus CA greater than 0. So this implies BD is greater than CA, or you can write it as AC also. So AC is less than BD, right? So for the positive real numbers, if A is less than B and C is less than D, then AC is less than BD.